What's up, guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I am going to give you, in my opinion here, 5 altcoins that could make millionaires in the next bull run. And all of these altcoins are underneath 50 cents. Now, it's very important to note, these aren't the only 5, and these might not even be the 5 for you. Make sure you guys are doing your own research. And again, there are a ton of opportunities out there, but I like these 5 in particular for a couple different reasons, because it gets us exposure to multiple different crypto sectors. And I am a huge proponent of diversifying your portfolio. So without further ado, let's dive in to a couple of these cryptocurrencies right now that I absolutely love in the next bull cycle. All right, so we're going to dive into it right here. We ready? Let's do it. Number 1 is Gala Games. Gala Games currently sitting at 3.5 cents right now, ranked number 136. I absolutely love Gala in the gaming sector, guys. This thing in the previous bull cycle exploded all the way to 83 cents. Think about that. We're only at 3 cents right now. The previous all-time is 83 cents. Now with Gala getting into mobile gaming, they're burning their token. Gala could essentially get to $1 from here. That is looking like a potential 30 to 35x from here in the next bull cycle. Absolutely love Gala Games. Number 2 is Vechain. Look at Vechain sitting at 2 cents, literally just 2 cents. Vechain, another one, all-time high, 27 cents. That's essentially a 13.5x away from right now. What if we got to 30 cents in the next bull cycle? That's pretty feasible, right? That's about a 12 to 15x from here. Number 3 is SingularityNET. Oh, by the way, Gala is in the gaming sector, Vechain in the enterprise sector. Also, huge utility-based token. SingularityNET, now we're getting into AI cryptos. This one ranked number 79, Vechain ranked number 34. SingularityNET, AGIX has been crushing it. They just partnered with Cardano, which is another one that could be on this list. Absolutely love what the second largest AI token by market cap is doing, right behind the graph. SingularityNET, one to watch. Number 4, also in the enterprise space, ClearCryptos. I'm telling you, their partnership with USFCR is just the beginning of what they have planned. Absolutely love CCX. I am eyeing probably about a 5 to 7x from here, especially in that next bull cycle. I think in the next bull cycle, we can actually get all the way up to $1. That is my opinion. Again, do your own research on all of these tokens. Number 4 is Shiba Inu. Actually, number 5 is Shiba Inu. And I've got one specialty token for you as well. Shiba Inu, the favorite token of mine in the meme category. Of course, I talk about it all the time right here on the channel. Absolutely love the future of SHIB. And give you one more in the meme token category, and that is Suka. Actually up 9% right now, sitting at 9 cents. This is another one to watch. Ranked number 286. Now, these are pretty large by market cap. SHIB is ranked number 15 in the meme sector. Suka is ranked number 286. So it's actually ranked number 7 in all of the memes, but actually gave you 6. I gave you a couple bonus. Now, again, there's a ton of other ones out there. I like just going through some of these other ones less than 50 cents, just to give you a couple that I really like. Dogecoin is another one that could certainly explode. Cardano, I love. XRP, little risk associated there, but I do like the future of XRP. Hopefully this list helps you guys, and hopefully you are doing your own research, because there's so many great opportunities out there. Thank you so much for popping in here. If you got some value, make sure you like the video, share it with a friend, and subscribe right here to this channel. Let me know your thoughts about all these down below in the comment section. Appreciate you guys. We'll see you. Bye.